Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here with the 99 Homestead. Today is August 29th, 2023, and we are getting ready to make elderberry tincture. So our elderberries are just about done producing for the year. We've collected almost a 5-gallon bucket of picked elderberries. They're in the freezer. We actually just made a batch of elderberry syrup, and we're getting ready to make a tincture today. So what it is basically alcohol and whatever herb or berry you're going to be using. We're going to be using vodka and elderberries. The alcohol is going to extract the flavonoids, the antioxidants. It's going to extract all the good stuff out of the elderberries, and it's going to make it in a concentrated form to where you can take it more easily. Now, we like to let ours sit for about 6 weeks. So you need to learn to make this in advance so you have it before everybody gets sick. We usually have some of this on hand year round. A little bit of this goes a long way. We always have the elderberry tincture and the elderberry syrup. So let me turn you guys around here and I'll show you what we're dealing with today. So this is really all you need to make an elderberry tincture. We have our elderberries. We have a 1-quart mason jar. You can make this in pints or quarts or half gallons or however much you'll need for your family. And we have some 80 proof vodka. 100 proof if you can get it. We have 80 proof. It's what we had on hand, so that's what we're going to use. You could also use brandy if you don't like the taste of vodka. We like to freeze our berries first. This helps break up the cell structure so all the benefits could be extracted more easily. Whenever we take this at the onset of a cold and flu, you can actually shorten the duration of your cold and flu by several days. So I'm not a doctor. I don't pretend to play one on TV. You guys do your own research. So that's on you. I'm just going to show you how we make elderberry tincture, and it works for us. So we're going to take our frozen berries, and we're going to fill this glass jar about half full. A little over half full. There we go. And all we're going to do is we're going to take our 80 proof vodka. This is the cheap stuff. You don't have to get the expensive stuff for this. And we're going to cover this up. Now, you can take this as a preventative. 1 dropper full a day. Whenever you start feeling the onset of a cold and flu coming on, up to 3 to possibly 4 dropper fulls a day, and it can really shorten the duration of your symptoms that you have with a cold and flu. Now, if you don't like the way it tastes, you can put this in a cup of water, a little bit of tea. We put ours in hot tea. That way, so if you don't like the alcohol flavor, that's fine. I like to take mine just underneath the tongue. That's just how I do it. Put a lid on it. Okay, and you guys can see you're already getting some really nice color in there already. And we're going to shake this up. You want to get it good and mixed. You don't want any berries stuck to the bottom. And we're going to put this in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. We like to shake ours every day. I keep ours in a cabinet in the kitchen, walk past it, shake it every day. This is going to help get everything mixed up and extracted well. After about 6 weeks, we're going to strain this off. We're going to get rid of the berries, and the liquid that is remaining is your tincture. I really like these 1 ounce or 2 ounce amber colored bottles with the eyedropper. They make dosing very easy. 1 dropper full is a good dose. once a day for a preventative, or on the onset 3 to 4 a day until the symptoms subside. So always be sure to label your tinctures with the date and what it is. That way so you know when to decant or strain it off. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set aside, and hopefully we'll have some homemade medicine here before too long. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm not a doctor. I don't pretend to play one on TV. This is just what we do. Just giving you guys some information. Do your own research. I do not recommend giving this to kids, and I do not recommend pregnant women taking this. So I want to go ahead and throw that out there. But for everybody else, a dropper full a day is a preventative. We also take our elderberry syrup. I also make elderberry gummies. Elderberries are a wonderful powerhouse for boosting your immune system, especially when you're starting to feel a little under the weather. So get out there, pick you some elderberries, make you some elderberry tincture, make you some elderberry syrup, and go ahead and get ready for this cold and flu season. I appreciate you guys coming along. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know down below, or contact us over on Nutty Gnome Homestead on Facebook. If you guys would like, share, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, get out there and make your tinctures. It's free medicine. This stuff's been around for hundreds of years, and it works.